Hello and welcome to another video in our video series, 3 Minutes of California Family Law, brought to you by Family Law San Diego. I'm Bud Klueck, founding and managing partner of Family Law San Diego. One of the most memorable public service announcements in the history of television involved an egg. At the beginning of the spot, a gentleman on camera held up the egg and said, "This is your brain." He then cracked the egg and poured its contents into a very hot frying pan. The egg sizzled and fried. The voiceover said, "This is your brain on drugs." Any questions? Decades later, this public service announcement is fresh in everybody's minds when they heard that. Well, your brain is seriously affected also by divorce. This is about your brain on divorce. It's not exactly like a brain on drugs, but your brain is very different when you're going through divorce and people behave differently. To understand what's actually going on, you have to know a little bit about the brain and how it's formed. Our brains evolved to help us survive. When the brain senses a threat, the parts of the brain about survival are activated, and they shut down the parts of the brain involving long-term planning. If our ancestors heard a saber-toothed tiger growling behind us, they really didn't want to sit down and decide how much they were going to contribute to their 401ks or something like that. Stress activates the survival brain and deactivates the long-term planning brain. The remedy of this conundrum or problem about the brain is to hire sophisticated professionals who have been through this, know what they're doing, but are not so emotionally invested and emotionally involved in the situation. If you have further questions about your brain on divorce or any other element of divorce or family law, child custody, child visitation, child support, or spousal support, please contact us at Family Law San Diego. Our phone number is 619-448-6500. Repeat that in a slightly different fashion. Area 619-448-6500. Or contact us on the web at www.familylawsandiego.com. That's www.familylawsandiego, one word, no breaks, no dots, no dashes, familylawsandiego.com. Thank you very much for watching another video in our video series, 3 Minutes of a California Family Law, brought to you by Family Law San Diego.